So that's where we came
I
from.
start between now
This is where we're going.
next August.
It's Randonautica in the evening.
It's just, it sucks
With my
for me.
friend.
I'm gonna move.
Our sons.
I mean, yeah, it should not usually be
Walking to our point.
Moving to Taiwan.
Intention is yellow,
Warmer than.
or green, or orange, or blue. And it's a 10-minute walk.
Where the air is warm.
I'll come back when we're closer. It does count.
We're not there yet.
That counts. It's all. It's on. You look on the way to your point too.
Oh, well, we passed a yellow sign, a slow sign too.
Yeah.
And the
Green.
slow sign
A
right
green.
there.
A green.
Oh,
There's some slow signs right there with a green house, and orange over there.
so you didn't take a picture of the yellow one.
I missed the yellow one. I'll see it on the way back. All right, and that sign over there.
Just all along the way.
It's kind of I Spy, isn't it? Is that what you just said?
I know I said I thought it was just when you got there.
Oh no,
It's all along the way.
There, what?
that's a cool house.
Yeah.
There's a bell.
Yeah, well, they've got a whole thing.
Have you seen that?
Oh, that's cool.
You have a dog now.
Oh.
Why don't we walk across the street, Jelly? So you can
Okay.
But yeah, this guy is a golden retriever. And he's really cute.
Oh, nice.
So they've got a
And they have a yellow
watering can.
watering can
Oh my
back
God.
there.
So I'm not sure what it all means.
Oh, that's cool though.
Yeah.
That looks like the Sagittarius thing. That's weird. I did Sagittarius as an intent.
Oh, you did?
I tried to do Pisces, but nothing came up.
I love it.
This is really nice. Little ponds and stuff. The house is green, isn't it? Or is that gray? How do I make it, Henry, so... There's a Buddha without a big belly. There's yellow, and green, and blue, and orange. Pink has been one of my intentions too.
That's pretty obvious.
Oh, more green.
Uh-huh.
And then green in the flag and blue in the flag.
Oh, and a yellow
And
dog.
a yellow dog in the tree.
Oh, there's your yellow dog. Very cool. Right on. Oh look, there's a green Europe over there. All kinds of colors, look at that. Yellow, blue, green, right
There's no
there.
shortage of...
Nope, there's no shortage. That's cool though. Yellow house and a yellow lab crossing sign. Once you get to your point, orange traffic cones. Okay, so those remind me of the co-founder, Auburn, because she kept finding those. And there's an orange hydrant. Another yellow house and a blue car. All right. So when you actually, some people think that what are actually the co-founder Josh, or the founder Josh, has said that sometimes your intention doesn't even manifest till you get there.
Oh, okay.
And it depends. I guess you'll know when we get there. And then we have a radius to look around. It's not just
Or maybe it's just the journey is the
part.
intent.
The journey's part of it.
Okay.
Orange cones. And now we're taking a left.
Are we crossing the street and taking a look?
No, we'll just go this way. All right. Hi. There's like a light, a blue light, sparkly thing. All right. I will turn this back on when I get closer. A lost baby journal that's yellow.
Oh.
Oh, that's sad.
That's
And a
really
blue
sad.
neighborhood watch sign.
Yeah.
Look at that red house. It's crazy.
Okay, so how far up?
Greenhouse.
Greenhouse, that is green.
That is green.
I don't know. Does it look like we should take a right down this street right here?
We're gonna have to take a right
Yep.
at some point to get
Down
to
this street right here. We have to take a right.
Okay.
There's a greenhouse. Will he make it? That's the question for
I think
me.
we can go.
That is a question for me.
That was a question for me that day. The
Oh gosh.
skateboarder in my car.
Yellow flowers coming up.
Oh, those are yellow. That is pretty. I want that.
And then more down the way.
Yeah.
Oh, here's a green truck.
There's definitely a green
Oh.
truck in front of a greenhouse.
In front of the greenhouse.
green-
And there's more yellow flowers.
It's very minty.
But see how it makes you pay attention to your surroundings?
Yeah.
I pay way closer attention to
Yeah.
my surroundings now, and it gets you out of your, what they
I
call,
don't think I've ever seen that greenhouse before. I think I've blocked it out.
see? Probability tunnel. Those are my favorite flowers,
I
those
don't know if I've
Tropicana
ever
lilies.
seen it. Can you unsee things?
You can forget, but
I
you
got
can't
to
unsee, right?
Yes, we're here.
What? We're here?
Well, I thought it was Brazil. We're here? Oh.
It's hard to see. Alright, so hold this for a second. It's on. Let's check our radius. Our power is 2.59 and our Z-score is 4.27. 54-yard radius. I see a yellow sign down there. Yeah?
3 spiders right here.
Whoa. Look for a fourth. So we're on our point, and then we get to look around.
All right then. Let's go up this way. There is. Does it usually say arrive? Oh, look at this though, Jaylee. Giant collection of yellow. Yeah, but
Yeah, but
the giant collection of
yes.
yellow flowers in front of the yellow
That's
house, which is
cool.
right next to a greenhouse.
Oh gosh. So what we got? This orange. Anything orange?
They're not there yet.
So this is part of our.
Orange or are they yellow?
I think they're yellow, but
Traffic sign says dead end right next to there.
yeah.
So anyway, so you got
There's the yellow
you
house.
got the yellow, you got the green, you got the orange.
Whoa, that's cool looking down there too. Orange cones right there.
There you go.
Are those red? I don't know. I think they're orange usually. They look kind of red. But...
I'm not sure if I like this street or Giles better.
Yeah.
I like Giles better.
Another yellow house down there. Dang. So we can go up away. Another yellow house, Heather.
It's like yellow.
How many
house,
times can you find a yellow house in one single half a block?
Right?
And then the greenhouse, and that looks like a green car.
Well, maybe that's what it was. It was just a giant mass.
Look at all these apples. Green apples and red apples. That's cool. I see a
Those are
lot of
cool.
fruit
Makes me
when I'm
want
walking
an apple.
around. Japanese maple. Love those. I found out those peely trees are called madronas.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Wow, yellow house.
Yeah.
Look, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
That's kind of crazy.
Right?
And then the green and yellow Oregon, what is that, ducks?
Yep. So I think what you did is you focused the hardest on yellow, and it brought us to.
All of us, mostly
I
yellow.
think it brought us to the highest concentration of yellow.
Sunset is pink. That's cool. There's the orange cones and an orange ball and a yellow ball.
Ooh, we need to go. Oh,
Yellow ball too.
see?
It maybe used to be orange, maybe it's bleached out. Oh, there's another ball back there. It's orange, kind of, yeah.
So fun.
There's another cone. The cones. And then the porta potty down there is green. Flag. Thank you for your service. A blue doorbell. Ringer.
No soliciting.
There's a blue windmill, wind thingy. You can kind of see the sunset back there. Oh. Blue truck. On our way back. Another flag. And a cool swing. That's cool.
Is it red?
Yeah, it's red, I think.
Oh, it's dark.
What?
That
Blue
you-
car. It's hard to see in the dark. Blue house where? Oh. Blue on the house. Blue mailbox.
Oh, Bailey.
Blue on the house with yellow curtains. Huh.
Oh, nice.
Yellow.
Oh, those are
Are
bike
those
town bikes.
orange or yellow?
Yeah, they're orange.
Are they orange?
Orange.
I knew the bike town bikes
Orange. Yeah, they are orange.
specifically from the orange.
The greenhouse. Yellow, green and orange were together though.
Yeah.
See, in everything, and then the yellow and the blue are kind of separate.
Right.
Blue hammock, orange and green cushions, and a blue house. Where's the yellow? The door, kind of.
Flowers, those same flowers.
Oh, and the same flowers.
See?
It's right here.
It
Where's
was
your
right
house?
there.
Down
It's
there?
right around the corner.
Right around.
Right there. Orange,
Oh.
green,
That's
blue, and yellow. And she's playing Pokemon Go.
I know, right?
What?
I got a yellow Pikachu.
Oh, yay!
Oh.
That's crazy.
It was in
Oh, here's some more yellow
mailhead.
flowers.
Mama Luna.
Oh,
Like the
these are
first
nice.
yellow ones like this we've seen.
Those are nice. Nice, nice.
Oh, there's a green house.
Another greenhouse.
Shutters.
And blue shutters. It's crazy. So the yellow pretty much showed up. Ducks. Big ducks. Those are geese, I guess. That's crazy. There's the duck. And the deer. A lot of people find deer or owls. I haven't seen any owls, have you? Yellow house on our way back. This is all on our way back. We kind of went a different way.
Yeah, we're kind of.
But that's okay. It was only a block.
Yeah, I didn't go exactly.
I know.
Blue chairs back there with a green.
True story.
Look at that's a green palm tree thing.
Yeah.
I
Light.
actually only
That's a
know my
light.
way home from here specifically because of that palm tree.
Oh,
took it-
wow.
They took that palm tree away while they were renovating their deck, and I took a wrong turn on the bike.
Your landmark was gone. Another yellow house. Found a lot of yellow. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off till I find something else.